From November 27th, taken inside the Walmart Supercenter off Commercial Way in Spring Hill. In the video, a deputy is arresting Tony Nguyen for trespassing.
A Florida man walks into Walmart and ends up arrested because police allegedly thought he was somebody else. According to the lawsuit, Tony Nguyen says Walmart employees and a sheriff's deputy confused him with another Asian male previously banned from the store. And instead of verifying who he actually was first, they put him in cuffs. Now he's suing for false arrest and constitutional rights violations under the Fourth Amendment.
County Sheriff's Office, Operative 43, the phone's recorded. Okay, tell me exactly what happened.
There's an Asian male in the store right now. His name is Cody Vonderlin. He is trespassed from the store. He is not allowed to be here, and he also tends to be violent and carries weapons.
What is he wearing?
I did not get a great look at him. I think it's like a blue long sleeve shirt and a backwards hat. I didn't want to make eye contact with him because he's very aggressive and he knows who I am.
Okay, give me one moment to know that.
Okay, Julie Emerge calls with dispatch, sorry.
Yeah, he's looking for you.
Where is he?
HVA.
He's looking for me?
Yeah, he's standing at U.S.C. shop and he's standing in Action Alley looking around looking for you.
Yeah, this guy's he's got to get arrested. I'm tired. He can't be in here. This guy absolutely sucks.
Okay, you said he's very aggressive and he carries weapons?
He tends to carry knives on his person, yes. And he is very confrontational, very aggressive.
Okay.
He's still looking around looking for you.
Does he have a vehicle?
The last time he was here, he was also trespassing. He came in like a giant Hummer with a trailer on it. I did not see what car he arrived in today.
It was like 10, 15 years ago.
What are you talking about?
There's no limit on that.
We are grocery shopping. What are you talking about?
You're trespassing, so you're not allowed to be here, alright?
It said 10, 15 years ago.
No. Let's go.
Where are you taking him? What the?
Record him right there. Look, record him too. That fat guy.
What is going on?
See a cop too.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Where are you taking him? Where are you taking him?
It's alright.
No, it's not. Where? Oh my god! I cannot believe you're doing this.
Where
are you taking him?
Why are you pulling me, sir?
Where are you taking him?
Why are you pulling me? You don't have to pull me. You know I'm disabled, right? I have back issues. You don't have to pull me, sir.
Let go of him.
You don't have to pull. I'm walking with you. You don't have to
let
pull
go
me.
of him.
I'm letting you know right now I have back issues. All right. I'm walking, so I don't know why you're pulling me, sir.
You should be ashamed of yourself. I cannot believe you're doing this. Where are you taking him? What? Oh my god. I cannot believe you're doing this. You should be ashamed of yourself. I need the keys.
Step away.
Hold on, calm down. Just calm down. Just calm down. Just calm down.
I need
Just calm down. Hold on.
Oh my god. This is disgusting.
Sorry you feel that.
Sorry, I feel that way? No, that's a fact. You should be ashamed of yourself. What did he do? He has not done anything.
That's not true.
I didn't even take my medication yet. Can I at least take my medication first? Before you take me? I have blood pressure medication, I have anxiety medication, and all kinds of stuff. It's in my juice.
Oh my god.
This is like 10 years ago.
I get you. Well, when you're trespassing, you can't come back.
No, they told me in court it was only a year.
Are you good to take his items for me? Hold on to them. Thank you.
Can I get my phone just in case?
She's gonna hold on to it for now, okay?
Alright.
And these are all his items, correct? Yeah. Okay, very good. Alright, can you follow one?
Here's the legal problem. Under the Fourth Amendment, police need probable cause before making an arrest. That means actual facts linking this specific person to a specific crime, not assumptions, not he looks similar. And according to the lawsuit, officers allegedly had opportunities to verify identity before arresting him, through ID checks, records, or surveillance, but didn't. That matters legally, because once handcuffs go on, that's considered a seizure under the Constitution. And if there's no proper probable cause, that can become a federal civil rights issue under 42 U.S.C. Section 1983. Also important for citizens, don't physically resist, even during a bad arrest. Stay calm, keep talking, document everything, fight it later in court.
You guys should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. We are literally trying to grocery shop and Christmas shop. It's disgusting. Shameful. Shame on you. Yeah, look, today is a good day to catch a thief. Why don't you go catch thieves?
Ma'am, what's your name? They don't want you to film it here. It's in the south.
Well, then I'm not stepping outside.
What's your name? It's your date of birth.
I'm sorry?
What is your date of birth? The manager here is requesting that you be trespassed from here. If you come back, you're subject to arrest. Do you understand that?
Walmart?
From this Walmart. He's asking
But
you
I
to be
don't
trespassed.
understand why.
He doesn't have to have a reason. He's
I
asking you to be
grocery
trespassed.
shop here and purchase.
I understand.
I spend a lot of
understand.
money here.
If you have a house and you don't want someone at your house for whatever reason in Florida, you can have them trespass. It's the same for Walmart. He's asking that you be trespassed. I'm giving
I've
you a
done
warning.
nothing. I understand,
It
but
doesn't.
I would like
you,
a reason.
You don't have to have a reason in Florida.
Really? I think
Dead
that's
straight.
crazy.
It is. It's the same reason you can have someone trespass from your house for no reason.
Yeah, but that's your residential.
So I'm
I mean,
giving. This is your
I
warning.
understand.
Okay.
I'm just discussing it.
So the reason why he's going to jail tonight is because he's been warned in the past. There's no time limit on it.
You're taking
I'm going
him to jail?
Yes, it's called trespass after warning. We gave him a warning in the past,
When?
and he's back. I'm going to go double check that so I can have an exact date. Right now, he's being detained. He's not under arrest because I have a crime at hand. I'm going to see if if I have probable cause for the crime. Okay?
A crime? I mean, that's
Trespass
such a
is a
strong
crime.
word. Oh my god.
Well, it's a misdemeanor. It's not a big crime.
But you're
It
talking
is
about
a
taking
crime.
him to jail?
I'm going to verify that before I do. He's being detained right now, okay? So I need you to leave. You're being trespassed, okay?
Well, I'm not leaving him. I'm not leaving
Figure that
him.
one out.
We just came back from the Springs. We are in a Jeep. We have a boat. I cannot drive that. This is so upsetting.
So the trespass has been confirmed. He has been trespassed here actually this year. So he will not be staying here. He's going to be going to jail tonight. He will have a bond. You'll be able to bond him out, okay? Does that understand? You understand that? You have all his items?
This is horrible. We just came from the Springs. We were in this Jeep with a boat and a trailer.
I got you. But regardless, once you
Does he
trespass
know
from somewhere,
that?
I'll explain to him on the way that I just explained to him actually. So, is there anything that you need from me? All right, I need you to get in the car and drive away because if you come back here, you're gonna also be going to jail for trespass. Okay?
This is disgusting.
I'm sorry you feel that way.
I love you. I'll call Brittany.
What makes this case important isn't just the arrest itself. It's the claim that basic verification may not have happened first. And courts have repeatedly ruled, police can't rely on vague assumptions when someone's liberty is on the line. That's why probable cause exists, to slow things down before someone loses their freedom. Now, whether the lawsuit succeeds or not, that's for the courts to decide. But the fact that Nguyen filed a $10 million federal lawsuit shows just how serious false arrest and misidentification claims can become. Because once an arrest happens publicly, we thought it was him, may not be enough.
I was able to confirm your ID at the jail. You're not the person he was looking for. You have not been trespassed. And so I'm taking you back to your house. And for me personally, I apologize. Sometimes identities get mixed up.